my dear students. I am Neera. You are watching my channel ILC classes. Today we are going to learn about another most important topic of mathematics from grade 4th. The name of the topic is place value system. Let's begin the topic. Now, place value system. Under this topic, there are two types of system are given. First is Indian place value system, which is also known as Hindu-Arabic place value system. This place value system is used in India and few Arabic countries, whereas another is International place value system. This has taken its place all over the world. Students, if you are not given in your question with any type of Indian place value system, if any type of place value system, you have to write in International place value system. So never get confused about this. Now, what is the difference between these two place value system? First of all, we will do the difference and then we will come to the definition of place value. Now, I have make a chart about these two systems. Then you can easily differentiate what is the basic difference in these two. This you all are seeing this. Here I have written ones, tens, hundred. These are the short forms of ones, tens and hundreds. These three forms ones, and this is known as a period. I have written this ones forms a period. Next, 1,000 and 10,000. This forms thousands. This also forms a periods of thousands. This lakhs, 10 lakhs. After 10,000 we come to lakh, then 10 lakh. This is another one period. Now crore, 10 crore. This is another one period. So these are known as periods. Now what is a place? This show ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Every individual this forms a place. So all are these are places. So you can easily differentiate what is a place and what is a period. With the help of place, we find the place value. So these above are places and these below are periods. If you have a 3-digit number, it comes under ones period. If you have 5-digit number, it comes under 1,000 period, and so on. Now, International place value system. You are seeing a dashed line with red color. This shows a difference between these two place value system. Here both are same, 10,000 till 10,000 both are same, but from the lakh and from after this you can find the difference. Here I have written STH means 100,000. We have written 10,000. After 10,000 we have written lakhs. इसके बाद हमने lakh लिखा, but इसके बाद हमने 100,000 लिखा. So ये तीनों मिलके इसमें 1000 बना रहे हैं, पर इसमें ये दोनों मिलके 1000 बना रहे हैं. ये lakhs है, but इसमें हमने यहाँ पे हम millions में shift कर देते हैं. After 100,000 हमने million लिखा है, million, 10 million and 100 million. So here we use crores. In this way you can differentiate between these two systems. So जब भी आपके पास इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम पूछा जाए, कोई 6 डिजिट नंबर दिया है, तो आपको 100,000 की फॉर्म में यहाँ पे लिखना है. अगर 7 डिजिट है तो आपको मिलियंस की फॉर्म में लिखना है. बट इन दिस केस आपको अगर 7 डिजिट नंबर दिया जाता है तो आपको लैक्स की फॉर्म में लिखना है. दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. नाउ कम टू व्हाट इज द प्लेस वैल्यू. I have already told you how you can come to know about the place of a value. The place of a value is the place value. अगर मैं यहाँ इसके नीचे कोई नंबर डिजिट लिखती हूँ तो उस डिजिट की प्लेस क्या बनी, वंस, तो इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू होगी वंस. Suppose I have a 2-digit number. You can see here I have an example for you, 197642, and always remember that always start your number from the right side of your notebook, not from the left side. हमेशा हम राइट साइड से वंस लिखना चलेंगे, हम यहीं से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे उसके प्लेसेस को डिफाइन करना. अब हमारे पास एक नंबर है, सेम नंबर लिया है मैंने दोनों वैल्यू सिस्टम को डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए. आई हैव 7 डिजिट नंबर. अगर इस नंबर के अंदर मैं आपको पास 4 की या 5 की वैल्यू पूछती हूँ, आई हैव आस्क यू व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इन दिस गिवन नंबर, हर बारी सेम नहीं होएगी, जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बारी मैं 5 की पूछूं तो आपके पास हर बारी 5 की सेम है। मैं इस नंबर के रिगार्डिंग आपसे 5 की वैल्यू पूछ रही हूँ, तो वो बनेगी 500 से। क्यों, ये देखिए, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, ये पीरियड्स तो इसका वंस है, पर इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू बनेगी 500। अगर मैं इसी तरह 9 की पूछूं तो क्या बनेगी, तो 9 lakhs। ठीक है, ये बन जाएगी 0 0 0 0। हम कैसे पढ़ेंगे इसे, 9 lakhs। इन द सेम वे अगर मैं यहाँ 1 की आपसे प्लेस वैल्यू पूछूं तो क्या बनेगी, यहाँ देख रहे हैं m फॉर मिलियन, तो इट बिकम्स 1 million। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द गिवन नंबर, मैं पूरा नंबर नहीं रीड कर रही हूँ। यू आर आस्क्ड फॉर टेल द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ गिवन नंबर, सो इट फॉर्म्स 1 million। आप ये नहीं कहेंगे 1,976,542, नो। Whenever you are asked for the place value of a given number, you only tell the place value, place of that value. This is the place of one number, one digit. So you are given with 7 digits. It depends on how many digits do you have in a given number. अगर मैं ये छोड़ दूँ, आपके पास 5 डिजिट है, तो मैं आपसे पूछूं इस डिजिट की क्या वैल्यू बनेगी, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, रीड कैन यू कैन रीड 76,542. Got it? Now, how will you read this number? अगर मैं आपको पूरा बोलूं कि आपको नेशनल इंटरनेशनल में सेम नंबर पूरा रीड करके दिखाना है, तो कैसे बोलेंगे, इट विल बिकम, हमेशा याद रखिएगा, जो भी पीरियड, जो नंबर एक ही पीरियड के अंदर आता है उसे हम इकट्ठा पढ़ते हैं। जैसे ये लाख और 10 लाख एक पीरियड है, तो हम 1 और 9 एक पीरियड के अंदर आ रहा है, तो हम इसे इकट्ठा बोलेंगे कैसे, 19,76,542, 19,76,542। नाउ कम टू द इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम। आप इसे कैसे पढ़ेंगे, हेयर 1,976,000, 1,976,542. This is the way to read the given number in different value system. Now come to the next topic. Now I have made a abacus here. In your syllabus for grade 4th, abacus question also comes. If you are given with an abacus question and nothing is mentioned, you have to plot according to the Indian value system, Indian place value system. Always remember that if you are given with an abacus question and you are given with nothing, what type of place value system you have to use, you have to use only Indian one. Now here I have written a 6-digit number. You have to plot this number on the abacus rods by making its respective beads. Now how will you plot on it? Let's see. I have written here the places of the beads. It is on ones place, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Now this is a 6-digit number. Starting from right side, you are given with a 0. On ones place you are given with the 0. Means first digit is 0 here. So whenever you are given with the 0 on any digit, any place, you will not make any of the beads on the respected road. So 0 comes under ones place, so you will not make any bead on the this. Now on second place there is 2, it comes under tens, so you have to make 2 beads like this. Now 8, have to make 8 balls, one above the other. How many beads? 3, 6, 7 and 8. Now 4 comes under 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, here will become 1,000. You have to add H here. So 4 comes under 1,000. So what you have to do on abacus? It's not any hard and fast rule. you have to check the face. One topic comes face value. What is a face value? You can guess through the name. Face value. Face means the face of a number, how it is, how it looks like, forms its face value. Here is 2, so face value of this number at tens place is 2. Here it's for the face value at thousand place is 4. It is as simple. So you have to draw the beads according to the value of the number. यहाँ पे हमने 4 beads बनाए क्योंकि we are given with the 4. 3, here it is 3, so we have to make it 3 balls, one upon other. 6, make it 6. Now it is easy. Now you have placed all the numbers. Here it is 0. You are not supposed to make any beads here. So it's so easy. No? I hope you all have understand this. So this 6, 3, 4, 8, 2 and 0. How will you read it? 6,34,820 is your number. Now come to the next question. Now in this case you are given with the beads on an abacus. Now you have to write the respective number by counting the beads under its place. Are you getting me? What you have to done here, पहले हमें नंबर दिया गया था, हमें नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे बीड्स बनानी थी अबेकस के ऊपर. अब हमें अबेकस पे बीड्स दी गई हैं, हमें रिस्पेक्टिव नंबर लिखना है, बीड्स रिस्पेक्टिव काउंट करके अलग अलग उसकी प्लेसेस के नीचे. अब स्टार्टिंग विद फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस, वंस के नीचे हमारे पास कितनी बीड्स हैं? ओनली 1. यू हैव टू राइट हियर 1. टेंस के नीचे हमारे पास देयर इज नो नंबर ऑफ बीड्स, देयर इज नो बीड, so we will write 0. Now count under hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 beads under 100. Next, 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, 5. Next, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, under lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the number becomes 8,45,601. Always remember that जो भी एक पीरियड के अंदर नंबर आएंगे वो इकट्ठे ही बोले जाएंगे. गलती कभी नहीं करना ये, क्योंकि लैख के अंदर हमारे पास 8 ही था, एक ही था, तो हमने 8 लाख पढ़ा. 1000 के अंदर हमारे पास दोनों 1000 हम इकट्ठा एक पीरियड बनाते हैं, तो हम 45,000 रीड करेंगे. So this forms 8,45,601. Now come to the next question. Now come to the questions. I have written a number of 6 digits. First of all, you have to mark the periods in this number. How will you mark the periods? Now start counting from the right. Ones, tens, 100. I have already told you till 100 period of ones formed. So ये क्या बनाएगा? Ones बनाएगा. Now next is I am doing this with first of all Indian place value system. Now ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000. This forms another period of 1000. Next, lakh. So how will you mark the periods? Here will come 7, 8, 1, 5, 7, 6. Are you getting me? This is one period, mark comma here. This is another period, mark comma here. Now you can read like this: 7,81,576. If I will say mark the periods according to international system, then how will you do this? You can refer here also. This is one period, same as in Indian value system. Now this is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This forms period of thousands. So how will you mark here? For international place value system, 7, 8, 1, 5, 7, 6. I hope you all have got this. Now how will you write it in words? In case of Indian place value system, you will write How? This is 1. How will you write? I am writing in first of all international place value system. You will write here 700. Sorry. 781,576. I hope you all are getting this. 76. 781,576. You can refer here. This is a period of 1000 in international system, so I have write here 781,000 and 576. Now I will write it in Indian place value system. Look here how you can write 7,81,000. Rest will be the same. 81,576. I hope you all have got this, the difference between international and national system. Now come to this question, 70,007. I have, oh sorry, first of all I will do this question in expanded form. How will you expand the number with the help of place value? Look here, there is 6-digit number. If you are given with international, national, expanded form will be the same in both cases. How? First of all, in this case, when you are given with the expanded form, you have to do the expanded form of the given number. Start from here. Write the first number, 7. Right? Count the number of digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, mark 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, come to the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits left, 4 digits. Now come to the third number. 3 digits left, 1, 2, 3. Same, 570 plus 6. And this is your expanded form. How is it? It is? Now, come to the next question. You can take a screenshot also if you want. Now, come to the next question. I have written here one question in words. You have to answer it in numerals or in digits. 70,007. What does mean 70,007? Means 7 is on ones place. 7. This 7 is on ones place because this is the last digit. Now 70,000. How form 70,000? 70,000. But you are given with 7. Now count. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 10,000 comes here. So you have to place 7 here. 70,007. Got this? Now come to this question. You are given it in expanded form with the place values. You have written its digits. 6 10,000 plus 6 tens plus 5 ones. 5 ones means 5 is on ones place. 6 tens means 6 is on tens place. And what about 6 10,000? 6 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 6 10,000. Because 60,000 को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 6 10,000 की फॉर्म में. So it forms 1,000, 10,000. I hope you all have understand. You can mark here periods also. Now come to the next question. Now come to the last topic of this chapter. सक्सेसर एंड प्रीडेसर। सक्सेसर कौन होते हैं? सक्सेस मिलती है, हम सक्सेस मिलना मीन्स हम एक स्टेप ऊपर जाते हैं, मतलब एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो सक्सेसर मीन्स एक स्टेप आगे, हम कहते हैं ना उस बंदे को सक्सेस मिल गई, तो मतलब वो आप जहाँ था उससे एक स्टेप या 2 स्टेप ऊपर चला गया। पर सक्सेसर के केस में हम एक स्टेप ऐड करते हैं, 1 प्लस करते हैं गिवन नंबर। अब अगर मैं कहूँ इसका सक्सेसर निकालना, तो व्हाट यू विल डू, आप ऐड 1 करेंगे, प्लस 1 कर दो, तो आंसर विल बी, अगर मैं कहूँ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रीडेसर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर, प्री, पहले आ जाओ, पीछे आ जाओ, हम कहते हैं ना प्री पेड, हम पहले कर लेते हैं, तो एक स्टेप माइनस कर दो, मीन्स इसमें मैं एक स्टेप माइनस कर दूंगी, इट फॉर्म्स द प्रीडेसर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर। This is all about the today's topic. I hope you all have liked it and understood well. If you like my channel, if you like my lectures, please give a thumbs up to my channel and must subscribe for further videos to explore more about SST and maths of 4th and 5th class, and hope you all will do very good. Thank you and have a nice day. Meet you soon again. Bye.